Alright, today we're looking at a certified 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's Dino Blue Pearl in color. It's got 32,000 miles on it. It's a clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Everything's in really good shape on the driver's side. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape here as well. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2015, 32,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black and gray door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Alright, it's got gray cloth seats. Driver's seat's in pretty good shape. Got a little bit of a stain right here on the back of the driver's seat, and then a small little hole right here. Okay, does come with the keyless entry key fob. Center armrest has got your USB port. All right, as you can see, the passenger seat, just a little bit of staining right there in the butt of the seat. Everything else is in good shape. All right, it is an automatic. Got another auxiliary and power outlet right down there for you. Climate control area right here. Got your AM FM CD player. Okay, and then you got a little screen up here that's going to be your radio display with the backup camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth, and then you got your Econ button right over here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 32,913 miles. All right, you can see just to the left there, it does have your digital speedometer. All right, I'll go ahead and pan out a little bit. Give you another shot of the radio here. Okay, got your climate controls lit up. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Okay, and let me get back up here to the mileage. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, it does have the guidelines on there for you. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Backseat door panels look good. Carpet back here is nice and clean. No staining back here on the carpet. Okay. Backseat cloth's in good shape. Okay, just a little stain here and there. Okay, and just a little rub right there in the seat. I just want to point this stuff out to you. Okay. Overall, it's in really good shape. All right, go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. Alright, carpet back here clean. Step to the side, you can see how much depth you got there. There's a ton of room in the back of these Civics. Got your spare tire right there with the jack. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Got, let's see, 15-inch steel wheels. Alright, it's got the nice hubcaps on them there. Brand new set of Uniroyal tires. Okay, plenty of tread left on us. A brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2015 Honda Civic LX. 32,000 miles on it. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax, just one owner. It's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.